What is going on, y'all? What is going on? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Min, and today another exciting unboxing for you guys. You know Gotti Nails, right? Those are the polish that I use on my client. They message me and say, hey man, I'm gonna go ahead and send you a light. And I'm like, a light? I have a lot of lights. Why do I need more lights? So you know, weeks gone by, I got this big old package. I mean, long, flat. I'm like, okay, what is this? Usually, you know, when you buy a light, it's this long, small. This one's out here. So I finally have a chance to open it with you today. It's been just sitting there, calling my name, saying, hey man, your fans need to see this. And tonight, today, whatever time you're watching right now, we're gonna make this unboxing happen. We going to get to see whatever this exciting light that was sent to me. Right here, y'all. Right here. See how big that box is? I'm not messing around with y'all. I am not messing around with you. Look at this. Look at this. But I don't know, I was kind of hard on it because it say fragile on it. But let's open it up, y'all. Let's open up. What is this? Wow. Y'all see it? Gotti Nails LED moon lamp. I know the moment you see the word moon lamp or moonlight, you think about the booty. It's not the booty, y'all. You're not gonna shine no light at no booty, okay? This is a nail equipment, I believe. Hopefully, we don't know. We haven't opened yet. How do we know? How do we know? Lamp provides professional lighting for practitioners of nails and eyelashes, cosmetic, tattoos, beauty, and healthcare. This lamp can reduce dark areas, improve working lighting, and protect eyes. Wow. Seems like this lamp can do a lot. You know what? Enough say. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Where we at? Where we at? I get excited. I don't know about y'all, but when I see something that I haven't seen, especially part of my industry, I get excited. Let's really open this up. I hope you guys can see this. I mean, this is like opening treasure, okay? Opening treasure. Oh, look at that. I mean, so far, I'm assuming this right here, that's the light. We got the menu. There you have it. Let's place it right here. We got bolts, and we got a positive screwdriver. Place it right there. We got the sticky stuff, stickers, maybe for the leg, so it doesn't move, I'm assuming. Let's go and place it right there. Two leg stand for the light, y'all. Very solid, very heavy. Can't do it without two legs, gotta have two legs. Let's put it right there. What is this? An adapter. There you have it, guys. Everything in the box. Let's check out the lights. Let's check out the lights. Let's go and put this box right here. How excited are you guys? We're gonna try this out. We're gonna see what this light is all about and see what the benefit of this light if we're going to get it for our nail station. Let's go ahead and pull it up. I don't want to mess this up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, very slim, not too heavy, very light. I like the fact that it's metal. This part right here is metal, and then of course this inside here is plastic. Has a cord you can connect. It looks like there's a very long cord, so let's really put it together right now. Let's put it together real quick. You and me, first look at this light moon light, y'all. Okay, this is for your nail station. Once again, it is not for you to shine at your, you know what we call it. Okay, let's see what we got right here. Let's see what we got. We got the bolt. Let's rip that off. Boom, there we go. We got that. Okay, what we're gonna do is we are going to connect the leg. Let's connect the leg to get that stabilization going. And on the leg, you guys can see they have the brand Gotti Nails right here. Let's go ahead and put the brand outside, sticking out, so that it looks kind of nice. You know, I like things to look a little bougie. Let's place it down here. We got the screwdriver. Let's see if we can screw this in real quick. Again, the leg is actually very, there we go. There we go. That's one little boo-boo. Okay, so the leg is actually pretty heavy. The base of this is actually pretty heavy, but the light is actually very light. That's the way I am feeling right now. So let's see if we're gonna put the legs on and how solid this is, because we're gonna test this out. You know, I really think that this is actually a very good idea. I like how slim it is, and you know, honestly, from doing nails, there will be time where you need a lot of light, okay? I don't care if you have a lamp on top of your nail station. There's never enough light, especially if you are working at nighttime and you want to take that nice Instagram photo and you just don't have enough light. That can be a problem, you know? It's like you can spend all that hard work, but then if your lighting is off, sometimes like you don't want to post that picture, and that's just me being real because it actually happened to me. So we got one leg on, and I have it put, I can tighten it up a little bit more. Let's really make it really tight. Let's make it really tight. Okay, we don't want to be shy on the tightness. Okay, let's go ahead and bring this in. Perfect. Oh yeah, it's really tight now. So let's go ahead and install the second leg, okay guys? Because we want to make sure that two legs are on really well. And here's another leg with the sign of Gotti Nails. So we're gonna go ahead and place it out there so it just looks really bougie. I like things to look kind of cool. I like to utilize it. So let's plug these in real quick, guys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna see what other functions that it comes with. You know, I know they have a lot of description on the box, but we're gonna just take it slowly. We're gonna test it out like any ordinary human being would test out a gadget, you know what I mean? Let's see if we can plug this one in. The second one always seems to be the harder one for me. I don't know why, but we're gonna try to get this going real quick. There we go. Hopefully it's in. And no, it's not. Hopefully it's in. There we go. It is in. It is in, guys. It is in! Oh my God. Whew. I just want to let you guys know I am doing this live while I'm opening this, okay? Meaning, I'm not editing nothing, y'all. I want y'all to see the raw footage. Everything is going on, going down in this room, unboxing this Gotti moon lamp. And I'm trying to plug this in. But come on, y'all, where's the hole at? There we go, I feel it. Sometimes you gotta feel that little bloop. There we go, it's tight now, okay. We're there, we're almost there, y'all. Bear with me a little bit. I am apologizing. I know when you guys watch a lot of like, you know, unboxing videos, they cut off everything, make it look all professional. I want you guys to see the whole thing because this is me processing you, how you actually put this together at that timing too, you know what I mean? Like this, how long it took me, so that's how long it should take you. So there we go, it's on really good. Bam, look at that, guys. Two legs are on really good, okay? So let's go ahead. I'm gonna place this light right here. Let's see real quick, stabilization testing. Sounds to look pretty good. Let's move these out of the way. We also got the stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little thing. It comes with 2 extra bolts. just in case you guys are clumsy like me earlier, dropping stuff. This is an extra one. I am gonna go ahead and put it in here also, okay? Let's plug this in. I am gonna put the manual back in the box because we don't need a manual, because I'm sure this just a little light. We can figure it out. It's not rocket science. So there we go. Let's put the box away. And while you guys are watching this, please give me a thumbs up and leave it in the comment if you find like lighting is important when it comes to doing nails. And let me know how's your lighting and what are you looking for, okay? So here we go. So now it is standing in one place, right? Let's plug it in. Let's see how far this can reach, okay? Let's see how far this wire, because sometimes you have wires that are really small and it's really hard for you to like connect your stuff. So what we're gonna do, my friend, is we're gonna plug this in. You see that right here? We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Bam. And let's go ahead. See, so where I'm standing, I have a plug right on the wall. This wire can reach pretty far. So if you are sitting around your nail station, your plug's on this side and you can just go ahead and plug on this side. But here's the cool part. You can also switch it around and plug on the other side if that works for you, okay? So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it in. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's plug it in real quick. There we go. We are plugging it in. They have a 3-step mode, and let's see what the 3 steps are. Boom. Wow, look at that. And what other step do they have? Okay, so this is like, you know, a different temperature of lighting. There we go. Really bright, like super bright right here. Super bright. So one more thing, guys. One more thing before we move on is that in the back of the box, they tell you like the output, 36, 40, 50 watts. The light, the color temperature, it can go up to from 2700 to 5600. So that's how bright it can get. Let's go and put this down here. But look at this, and then you go ahead and turn it off by just tapping this. The tapping is actually very easy, very simple, very touch friendly. So look at this. So this is actually a nice lighting, good for you to take pictures and doing nails. And let's say if you're like, oh, you know, it's not bright enough, you can change the color. You want to change it, but let's make it super bright. You know, I like my thing really bright. I can see my clients putting the hands in here. I can see myself putting my hand. I got the full lighting. I can see this as a very nice setup for your nail station due to the fact that you can take pictures, do nails, and that's what we want. Because sometimes, you know, you got that light that just hang over halfway. You get the light from here, dude. You don't get the light from here or from on this side. This one is all around. This one is like, now I know why they call it moonlight, because now you get the full effect of the lighting, and this is good for your station. But here's what I can see that happening though. You gotta put the sticker on, because you might get those clients who are super clumsies, and what they do is they can knock it over this. And not just that, when you have like polish on, clients can actually like touch the polish on these light and it will mess up the light. So you gotta be very careful with that. Especially myself, like when I work, I wanna be organized and clean, but you just can't control those kind of stuff when you have clumsy clients. And I'm not just trying to say that will happen to you, but hey, who knows, accidents do happen. But look at this light, guys. I mean, you can move this. Like, let's say you're taking a picture of like somebody's face. You can just ring it up there. You can go low. Look at this. And then you can go sideways, this way. I mean, this is awesome, and it's so light, and I love the fact that when you place it on, it just, oh my god. So you guys don't even know what happened. So I was just talking, and also my camera shut off because it overheated. But anyways, I am back. I was saying what Gotti did was really innovative for this lamp. In terms of growing up as a nail technician, I got a lamp where you got this big old round headers, right? And that was the lamp that was used even till today. You can still see salons using that lamp. And now you come on like Amazon, you see like these little tiny lamps, right? That works, because that's what I use. It works great. But now when I see this, I mean, look guys, this right here, my friend, is cool, right? I mean, me as a nail tech, Come on, let's visualize this. Me as a nail tech, I'm working on your hand. I can see the full light and everything, okay? Talking to you is so cool. It's like, and then I'm taking I mean, look. This makes your station look cute. I'm just gonna say this is gonna make your station look like fire, okay? You can be a beginner nail tech, veteran, but I guarantee you, if I was a client right now, I'm walking into your appointment, your nail station, I'd be like, hold up. Okay. You feel me? Do you feel what I'm saying? But look, y'all, this right here on the internet at GottiNail.com, they are selling this for $130. Yes, it's a lot. But look, is it gonna be worth it? I feel like it's gonna be worth it because look how much lighting you guys get. And look how much room it is. I mean, when do you ever have a light that shines on this side? You always have a light coming down from the middle. You never have light shining from left and right, right? But here's the cool part. Thai Life is the promo code, 30% off. That's all you need to know in the description, y'all. That's all you need to know. I'm not gonna repeat that no more. In the description, all you need to know, 30% off promo code Thai Life. So, I like it. I really like this right here, okay? Have I used it on my clients yet? Not yet, but it's a light. I know how it's gonna use. As long as it's shiny, it's bright. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look how bright my face looks the moment I stick my head in. Come on, yo. That's all I gotta say. And if you enjoyed this open box and you feel like you need a light like this, I'm glad I made that decision for you. Thank you so much. Because honestly, I'm blessed, y'all. I'm blessed once again. Thank you so much. If you like this unboxing, y'all, give me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, okay? I try to produce as many nail videos as possible, expose the industry, teach you, make you feel comfortable as a nail technician. And my next coming up videos, guys, is I will be taking care of some of the swatching. I got the knot polished and I'm gonna be swatching it, and I can't wait for you to see it. I will see you on my next unboxing video and some more tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a good one.